Welcome to another video. In this video I will give you idea about living room partition or divider for the living room. So let's start the video. Watch the video till last. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for next updates. Everything modified with the passage of time. If you are searching for a divider that does double duty, a lot of designers advise bookshelves for an open concept. An open bookshelf is a great way to divide house blocking. Create some space or put some divider into your office or supply area, or your dining table feels great. All of our room divider thought that intent to assist you create a cohesive and useful domestic with area that are divided, however no longer separate. Don't be afraid to play around with extraordinary furnishing configurations options. As we all know that was the authentic room divider ideas. Our residents have been sectioned into different parts that give every room a single distinct purpose. Bookcases is extraordinary way to divide the room into separate areas. It creates depth and activity and offers you more strong space. Folding screens are also a good choice because you can easily move them around and fold them up when not in use. Ultimate note: face up the urge to pack each and every rectangle inch of these shelves. This is greater display than storage. This is the situation our collection. Just make positive what the producer recommends earlier than you set that bookshelves up. Screen literally look like an art installation or custom wall you had built to curve around your space screens. It serves not only to carve out spaces but can also be deployed effectively in front of window with an unfortunate view like a brick wall or messy neighbors. Whether between work desks in the office or dressing area in the bedroom, divider has long been a great source for allocating space within a room. From bulky boxes to slim and this TV set, television has undergone a huge revolution in its shape and size. A modern TV unit has also undergone a transformation. At the end of your living room divider, you discover what works excellent for you. So, if you like the video, share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Love you all.